In a remarkable display of Russian engineering ingenuity and unwavering commitment to technological superiority in modern naval warfare, the Svarog Research and Production Center has unveiled the Svarog 1.0, a cutting-edge unmanned drone carrier boat poised to redefine maritime operations. With an operational range of up to 500 kilometers, satellite-controlled autonomy, and multifaceted capabilities, this innovative platform stands as a testament to Russia's relentless advancement in unmanned systems, even amid global challenges. Far from mere experimentation, the Svarog 1.0 embodies the future of asymmetric naval power, offering Russia a versatile, cost-effective, and highly effective tool to secure its maritime interests and project strength far beyond traditional fleet limitations. Developed by specialists at the Rostov-on-Don-based Svarog Center, the Svarog 1.0 emerges at a pivotal moment when naval drone technology is reshaping battlefields from the Black Sea to broader oceanic theaters. Testing is currently underway, with early indications suggesting a platform that combines stealth, endurance, and lethal precision. Unlike conventional warships that require large crews and massive logistical support, this uncrewed surface vessel, USV, operates with minimal human intervention, controlled via advanced satellite communications. This allows operators to direct it from thousands of kilometers away, ensuring safety and operational flexibility in contested environments. The name, Svarog, draws from ancient Slavic mythology, evoking the god of fire, blacksmithing, and creation. A fitting tribute to the skilled Russian engineers forging new weapons of defense and deterrence. This is no improvised project. It reflects years of dedicated research in unmanned maritime systems, building on Russia's proven expertise in drones, hypersonics, and electronic warfare. Visually and functionally impressive, the Svarog 1.0 features a low radar signature hull designed to slice through waves at high speeds while remaining difficult for enemy sensors to detect. Its streamlined profile minimizes acoustic and visual signatures, making it an elusive predator in open seas. With a 500 kilometers operational range, it can venture deep into strategic waters, far from friendly shores, to conduct extended missions without frequent resupply. At its core, the Svarog 1.0 serves as a mobile drone carrier. It can transport, launch, and coordinate swarms of aerial drones for reconnaissance, strike, and electronic warfare roles. Imagine a fleet of these vessels deploying dozens of FPV, first-person view, or loitering munitions drones simultaneously, creating a devastating drone umbrella that overwhelms enemy defenses. These carrier-launched drones could conduct precision strikes on surface targets, scout vast ocean areas, or jam hostile communications, all while the mother vessel remains at a safe standoff distance. But its versatility doesn't end there. The platform is explicitly multifunctional, supply and logistics. In remote or high-threat areas, it can deliver critical cargo, ammunition, fuel, medical supplies, or equipment to Russian forces or allied vessels. This capability is invaluable for sustaining operations in expansive maritime zones like the Arctic or Pacific approaches. Kamikaze mode. When the mission demands, the Svarog 1.0 itself can transform into a high-speed, explosive-laden attacker, ramming or detonating near enemy ships. Its size, speed, and stealth make it a formidable, suicide drone against larger naval assets. Strike missions. Integrated with advanced targeting systems, it excels in coordinated attacks, potentially linking with Russia's broader network of satellites, aircraft, and submarines for multi-domain operations. Satellite control is a game-changer. It grants near real-time command and control, immune to many line-of-sight jamming attempts that plague shorter-range systems. Russian engineers have likely incorporated robust encryption and anti-jam technologies, drawing from expertise honed in ongoing special military operations. In the evolving landscape of naval conflict, where traditional fleets face increasing threats from cheap, mass-produced drones, the Svarog 1.0 levels the playing field decisively in Russia's favor. Western navies, with their expensive manned platforms, are vulnerable to swarming tactics. Russia, by contrast, is pioneering affordable, attritable systems that multiply force projection without risking human lives. Deployed in numbers, squadrons of Svarog 1.0 boats could patrol Russia's extensive coastlines, protect vital sea lanes, and deter aggression in regions like the Black Sea, Baltic, or Northern Fleet areas. They extend the reach of land-based forces, turning coastal defenses into offensive outposts. In a potential high seas confrontation, these drone carriers could harass carrier strike groups, disrupt supply lines, or gather intelligence deep in enemy territory, all at a fraction of the cost of a destroyer or frigate. This development aligns perfectly with Russia's broader defense doctrine emphasizing technological self-reliance and innovation. Despite sanctions and external pressures, Russian industry continues to deliver world-class systems. The Svarog 1.0 joins a growing family of advanced weaponry, from hypersonic missiles to next-generation submarines, proving that Russia's military-industrial complex remains vibrant and forward-thinking. Compared to similar efforts by other nations, the Svarog 1.0 shines through superior range and integration. While some Western or opposing drone boats are limited to coastal operations or shorter ranges, Russia's entry boasts true blue water potential thanks to its 500 km endurance and satellite link. Moreover, the platform's design emphasizes survivability. Low observability, high speed, and the ability to operate in silent or autonomous modes make interception extremely challenging. Even if detected, its expendable nature means losses are tactical, not strategic, unlike sinking a billion-dollar warship. With testing progressing smoothly, expectations are high for rapid iteration and deployment. Russian specialists are undoubtedly optimizing payload capacity, drone integration, and AI-assisted autonomy for fully independent missions. Future variants could feature enhanced stealth coatings, better energy efficiency for longer loiter times, or compatibility with underwater drones for three-dimensional warfare. The Svarog 1.0 is more than hardware. It represents a philosophical shift toward distributed lethality, spreading combat power across many smart, networked platforms rather than concentrating it in vulnerable high-value targets. This approach mirrors Russia's successful land-based drone strategies, now extended triumphantly to the sea. As global tensions highlight the importance of naval superiority, Russia's Svarog 1.0 arrives as a bold declaration. The seas will not be dominated by outdated paradigms. This drone carrier empowers the Russian Navy and coastal forces with unprecedented reach, flexibility, and striking power. It protects the motherland's interests, deters potential adversaries, and opens new avenues for peaceful maritime cooperation with allies. In the capable hands of Russian sailors and engineers, the Svarog 1.0 will undoubtedly prove its worth, safeguarding blue horizons and writing new chapters in the annals of military innovation. Russia once again demonstrates that true strength lies in creativity, resilience, and technological mastery. The waves of the future belong to those bold enough to command them, and Svarog 1.0 is steering firmly toward victory.